Hey, this is Garrett, A3 Customs today. I'm gonna see what Mark's doing over here on this buff job he's doing on this 86 C10. What you got going on, Mark?
So far I'm cutting it down for 800. Get little imperfections out of it.
Man.
You can see right here, I still gotta go over it.
Yeah, I see it.
All through there. I hit it for 800, get it cut down, then I hit it for 1,000.
Right.
Then I get it cut down again, then I go back, I go to 1,500, then I go to 2,000. Time I get done, it'll look like this and down here.
Yeah, man, this right here looks good. We kind of did this, go over this morning and see all this panels, you know, had a little bit of orange peel, a little bit of trash in them, stuff like that. We trying to get the truck looking right. Truck is for sale. Trying to get all the last of the buffing done on it. But kind of want to give you a little insight on what he's doing. So the orange peel you can see is right here. And how we're doing this is we use guide coat to find it. So guide coat is your friend when you're buffing. We taken after we get this thing painted, you know, all paints has a little bit of imperfection in them to make them really slick. This is what it takes to do it, and it takes time. But this panel here had the same imperfections in it, had the same texture to it, kind of. It really wasn't bad. I mean, for a day-to-day driver, it's fine, but for a build like this, we really want to make sure that we get quality on the paint job. And there was a lot of clear put on this. I think there's like 8 coats of clear on this bed that we did. We have videos of that before in our YouTube channel that we did for this, but we knew he was going to have to buff it. We knew he was going to have material on there, so that's why we did it. But now, as Mark's coming through here, like he just explained, he's coming through at 800 to get it level, and now he's getting all the clear level. And after he gets all the clear level, he'll go through with these steps. You said 1,000, 15,
1,000, 15, 2,000,
2,000,
3,000,
3,000, 5,000. And show us that 5,000. That's 3 and 5,000.
That's it right here. Here's the 5,000.
So this Trizac paper here, that we get, a lot of this stuff, it's like a foam, and it's really pliable, and it's flexible. It's a little bit different than sandpaper, although it does have grit to it. I like using this stuff because you can mold it around edges and stuff, and it doesn't really burn. It just kind of gets the scratches out. So what the idea is, on 800, you're getting it level, and then from there on, you're trying to get the scratches out. And so you're really not cutting the clear, you're actually cutting the scratches. So you're blending the scratches to make them smaller and smaller and smaller. And then once you get it to it, you can use this 3D CAD right here we use. It's an auto cutting compound. We used to use 3M a lot. Guys, we like 3M. 3M's expensive. But this stuff right here, I really like it. It does as good a job or better. One thing I do like about it, this stuff doesn't sling everywhere, and it's easier to come off. That 3M stuff we put on there, it dries like caked on, and you can't get it off. I mean, you got to use wax and grease remover and everything to get it in the panel. And you know, this is not a really hand-built, expensive truck. Anyway, on this panel, on this compound we use, it just don't sling. It just don't sling everywhere. So we like that. And what kind of buffer are we using? That's what I want to talk about.
Yep.
Where's our buffer at?
Oh, we got our buffer sitting right over here.
So here guys, Mark. Here's what I want to talk about, guys, a minute. The Indasa buffer. This thing is amazing. So, little backstory. Didn't even know this thing existed. And so when I went to SEMA this year in 2025, met with the guys over there in Indasa. So we use our products anyway. But I met with some sales reps over there, and they was talking about the buffer. And so we asked them about it, and they're like, yeah, man, let me show you how to use this thing. So they showed us the features on this, and this thing is phenomenal. It's lightweight. It's got a 90-degree head on it. It oscillates. It's got these fittings come out. So you can change these to a straight grinder kind style or oscillation style. It is amazing. So you have that. And then we can actually do, you know, you can hold it. Like when you're holding it, I mean, it's not like the big buffer that you got a cord wrapped around your neck and you're dragging it through the water and you're fighting it. I mean, it doesn't do that. I mean, this buffer is amazing. And we get this from Indasa exclusively through RevChem. They supply all our demands for our buffing materials. They supply all our body shop supplies and everything. We go get it straight from RevChem. Them guys over there are phenomenal. And Indasa, man, they're really shining the light right now on body shop material, body shop parts, supplies. You can't beat it, man. You can't beat it. But we have an awesome following with this. We really want to promote their product. And like and subscribe our page, and you can get you one of these things eventually. See, guys, how good that is? I mean, that works really, really good. That's an amazing tool that we have that Indasa supplies us. That is absolutely beautiful. And see, he's not putting any effort on it. He's not putting any effort at all. So I suggest that if y'all do a lot of buffing, that's the tool you buy to do the buffing with. So we absolutely have a phenomenal time using these products. But yeah, like and subscribe to the page, share our content, hammer that like button. Thank you for everything you do. Indasa Products, Gary at A3 Custom.